Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Jira on Windows. Let's get started. First go to atlassian.com/software/Jira/update and click on Get Started right here. This will open a new tab where in this drop-down menu, choose Windows 64-bit as your operating system. Next, just click on this checkbox right here to show that you're agreeing to Atlassian's privacy policy. Then click Submit. Another tab will open where you will scroll down just a little bit to the Resources section and click on Download Installer again right here. Then your download will start, which may take a few minutes. Once it's done downloading, this pop-up will appear and you just have to wait for this to be done as well. This new pop-up will appear where you will click on Yes. Next, another pop-up will appear welcoming you to the Jira software installation wizard and click on Next down here to continue. Next, click on Express Install so that Jira will be installed with default settings. Then click Next down here. Next, this will just show you your installation summary. Just click on Install down here to continue. This pop-up will appear asking for permission if you want to allow certain domain networks to access your Jira software. Just click on Allow and then finally the installation to your computer will start. After installation, just click on this checkbox to start your newly installed Jira software. Click on Next down here, then wait as your computer launches the software. And once it's done, just click on Finish down here. And that is how you can install Jira on Windows. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.